Baby, you know I'm trying all my best to satisfy you. Don't worry, the moment I get the money, I will come and give you.
Which money are you talking about? I said you should send me 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira.
Don't worry, do you know what? I'll give you everything tomorrow. Don't worry, my baby. My baby. How about my food?
Alright, though. Let me go and bring it for you.
Alright.
Babe, this is your food.
Alright.
This is water.
Baby, you know whenever I want to eat in your side, I don't normally drink water.
So, what will you now drink?
You know, after I am done eating this rice and chicken, then I will.
I can't understand what you're trying to say.
I mean.
If it is the era of the slave trade, I would have sold you to a slave trader.